How to use the new PLD2 listening device app. The PLD2 is designed for use with PLD sensors that have been programmed for compatibility with iOS 11 or above. Once you've downloaded the PLD2 app, select the icon and then enter the PLD sensor serial number. Then you can select Join. You'll get a message asking you to join the network. Join the network. Now the sensor is connected to the app. It's a very robust connection. That is extremely robust. The next thing I'm going to do here, I could take a recording right now, but the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my settings. And I'm going to turn my high resolution on. I've got it on contact, volume at about 12. I'll go back in. Then I'm going to check the PLD status to see if everything's charged up. It is. Now I'm going to do a recording. Pause it, and it's fairly low. You see the leak index value is 26. I'll go ahead and save that. And being at 26, a level of 26, it gives me a green indication that says all is clear. There's no leak there. I'll start another recording. Pause that one. Save it. It's still green. Now I'm going to introduce a little bit of noise here, see what I can get out of it. Pause that one. Notice it's yellow now. Now if I introduce a little bit more noise, pause that and save it. Now you're going to see we've got a yellow, green, and red indication, and it's all depending on what the leak index value is. Red, of course, meaning that you really need to check it out. There's something there. Yellow, possibility. Green, you're clear to go. Now, all of these recordings are saved. You can go into your history settings. You can set that for recordings that you want to see, whether it's last hour, today, recent, or if you want to see all of them, and also select if you only nearby recordings. This thing has a very robust Wi-Fi connection. It's extremely well done and very easy to use. Enjoy.